To create golden typography with an outline effect in Canva, start by going to Elements and searching for golden. Under the photo category, choose a golden textured image, add it to the page, right-click, and set it as the background. Go back to Elements, click into the Frames category, and scroll down to the Letters section. Add the letters you need to the page and arrange them to spell your word, resizing and repositioning as needed. Select the letter frame, click Stroke Style, add an outline, and choose a golden color for the outline. Change the fill color of the frame to black. Once one letter is styled, click Copy Style, then select the next letter to apply the same golden outline effect. Repeat for all letters. Your golden typography with outline effect is now complete.